Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. First up the video, though, to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon while it's still up, you guys can join at patreon.com/, but I'm not a trader. I'm still bearish, bro. I mean, we closed the week, right? The week is still bear. You're closing a stronger bear weekly candle right now. You have 4 days to close this, but this looks like a very, I don't want to spend too much time on this, but you got to double top and then boom, you're gonna do this probably, and then either go up or you're gonna dive down like right here and crap, right? Because at least that way on the daily, you start like getting like an inverse head and shoulders, and then here, I'd probably argue here, maybe like longs at like 471 are a good idea, but if you start breaking these lows right here, actually this might, hold up, maybe this might be a little bit better. Right there, can I go higher? Nah, I can't go higher. Like right there. And this one, I was running the weekly for support and resistance. That's fine. This one, can I do something else here? Can I go all the way up? Nah, that's too much. Right there. A little bit higher. Can I go a little bit higher right here? Nah, because then I missed that one. There you go. And then for this one has to be a little bit higher, like right there. That makes more sense. Cool. Yeah, I'd definitely be shorting here, right? You have a double top. You rejected this area, what, once, twice at these highs right here? Because this is all-time high, right? Let me see. Pretty sure this is all-time high. We're at like that same all-time high range. Yeah. There you go. Right? Last time you had divergence here, right? All-time high. Yeah. I'd say these are easy shorts, honestly. If you end up breaking this, you end up closing a daily candle above this, then you're in discovery, right? I have no idea where this would go. Actually, I do have an idea where this would go. I'm lying, right? If you do break these highs, your next level is going to be pretty easy prediction, right? Your next level would be 484, and your second target would be 489, right? So I lied. As of right now, like I said, I do think we're probably going down, maybe back somewhere to like a 470. But if you do end up breaking highs, right? If you do end up breaking this high right here at like 480-ish or 481, where that recent like high was, and actually we'll do that just to make things easier on all of us. There you go. Very easy. The high is right here at 482. Right, yeah. So you could, let me see. Yeah, so you can end up doing like something like this where you just push up super hard, right? As of right now, I'd say we're more bearish towards like this area probably, and then we bounce up. Or if you break this, right, you're going down to like, I think like a 460, because you don't have a lot of range here, right? I mean, if you want to do like something like, you can do this where you have like, you have there, you got there, you have right, I'd say right there. That makes a little sense. Oof. And it's strictly because the weekly, right? The weekly, right? You're trading. You have your divergence on the weekly, and again, this is actually a new script that I actually wrote yesterday, where it detects divergence on every single. It took me like hours, bro, but it was funny because I built this yesterday. Like over the car, I was like, my wife was like, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, "I'm trying to write this script out for TradingView to detect divergence, right? And this detects divergence for every single indicator that you can think of, right? MACD, RSI, stochastic, the MFI, the historical and price, and you can see, right? I don't like doing things unless they're ridiculously accurate. So look, right? We ran divergence, boom, what happened? Divergence on the weekly, boom, what happened? And if you guys know me from the chat, right, I don't like doing things unless they're like 90% accurate, right? Divergence up to the bullish side, boom. Divergence to the bullish side, whoop. Actually, this one was not that good. You pushed up, but then you came right back down, so not that one. But here, right, divergence on the bear side, divergence on the bear side, right? Divergence on the bear side, divergence on the bull side, right? Divergence on the bear side, right? This is on the weekly, right? It all detected like a really solid, really solid legs down or leg ups, right? See, boom, boom. So, and I detected it last week or like 2 weeks ago when we had a huge drop. So I am expecting more of a drop than what we've had initially, right? And I would definitely be looking at shorting this. So this can be this can turn into an inverse head and shoulders and then pop, or this breaks and you go all the way down to like 460, right? That's what I'm sort of eyeing right now, right? If you're looking at weekly levels and it's 460, if you're looking at daily levels, then you obviously have support at 464, 462, whatever. But I'm definitely more bearish right now than bullish, especially after that divergence hit like 2 weeks ago, right? But I'd be shorting this whole thing, man. This whole thing looks like a very nice short down to the low side. And even right now, right? You have this bear trigger right now on the 4 hour on the set, like, right? I think you're going down to like a 4 short term back to like 475. But yeah, I mean, I definitely think that this is, I definitely think you're going down lower. And, I would long again, but not until there's like not until we hit some sort of support. But again, like, see, this would be an inverse head and shoulders down here, and then you long here for like maybe like a pop to like 472 before dropping, or this would be the bottom and you just shoot up to like the moon and stuff, right? But if this doesn't play out, then you're probably dropping at like 460. And I've said that, and I've said 460 for like the last like week or so. So overall, I'm pretty bearish, looking for more of a downturn. I'm looking for like 470 right now, and then 460 if this inverse head and shoulders doesn't play out. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.